believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design, and I want to show you a website that you might like. I'm going to show it now. Okay, this is the website. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this website, and I would add your photos in the gallery link, this link. Same thing with the contact details on this link here. We can add the map on the side, and if you have any other information about the services that you're offering, we can also add it here on this link. We can also add about company profile on this link. Okay, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit the reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention, my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Tier. Talk to you soon. Thank you.